street pass, but oh goody, I'm being forced into a new panel, which is going to lower the percentage of completed puzzles I have, but is also going to increase the chances that I'm going to get new puzzle pieces in this round. So I may do slightly better, but first, let's try to collect a new piece. No new puzzle pieces, that's what I expected. So, I'm going to have to go to get a piece. And keep in mind, I have 200 play coins, which means 100 chances. So, however many new pieces I get out of this, it'll be like, if I get 38, that's a 38% success rate. Here we go. Use 2 coins. And no. Use 2 coins. See if I can make this a little easier to hold it. Success. New puzzle piece. And that brings me up to 985 out of 1232. Use 2. Here we go again. Success, and that's the brand new puzzle, so I'm 2 for 24 out of that. And here we go again. New piece. Doing good so far. Here we go again. Nope, knew that would be a duplicate because that puzzle's almost complete except for the middle. A new piece of the Mega Man puzzle, which I'm getting close to filling in the edges on. And here we go again. Nope, not a new piece. Here we go again. Not a new piece, even though that had a lot of blank spots in it. Here we go again. New piece. And this piece goes into a puzzle I might actually complete because there are no pink spots in it. Here we go again. Not a new piece. I want Rusty's Real Deal over with as soon as possible. And the brand new puzzle just got another piece of that. Here we go again. And another new piece. We're now up to 991 out of 1,232. I'm probably going to break 1,000 this round with 100 new attempts. And see, 3 pieces into the brand new puzzle, we already got a repeat. Here we go again. Nope, no new piece on that one. And is this a new piece? Nope, not a new piece of Mega Man. That's a repeat. Not a new piece there either. New piece or not? New piece of Rusty's Real Deal. Getting close to getting all the edges of that. New piece or not? Yes, new piece. Up to 993 pieces collected now. Not a new piece. Not a new piece of Rusty. Not a new piece there. That's really frustrating when you get repeats on a puzzle with a lot of blanks in it. When you're at least close to the end of a puzzle, the repeats are a little more understandable. So a new piece of the middle of the new puzzle. And failure. That is not a new piece. We are up to 995 with that one. Fail. Not a new piece. Not a new piece. Not a new piece of Mario Kart. Not a new piece. Oh, good God, not a new piece on that. The repeats are just ridiculous in this. New piece on the new puzzle, up to 996. New piece. And another repeat on Mega Man. And another repeat on Mega Man. This is why Puzzle Swap is a real bear. Now look, I only had one non-pink piece missing on there, and I still got a repeat. I really wish they had a system that was a little more rewarding for the effort you go to in earning coins, because when you don't get a lot of street passes, this is the only way to get new puzzle pieces, but you get so many damn repeats that you feel like you're getting screwed all the time. Been stuck on 997 for a while now. Is this a new piece? No, it is not. Is this a new piece? Yes. Is this a new piece? Yes. I understand with a random number generator you should actually get repeat numbers at random, but this shouldn't really be a random number generator. This should actually have some sort of limitation factor that when you've gotten a repeat piece at least once, or if you get more than one repeat piece in a puzzle, those numbers should be eliminated and should not come up in the pool again. And the same piece of Mega Man, so nothing new there. So that was 1001 for new puzzle pieces. 102 play coins left to go. So this is number 50 out of 100 in this attempt, and that is a new piece. So, keep working here. Oh, a repeat on a puzzle with only 5 pieces. So frustrating. And that's not a new piece. That's not a new piece. That's not a new piece of Dylan's Rolling Western. Well, at least that's a new piece of Mario Kart. A lot of scrolling for not a new piece. Not a new piece there. Oh man, that puzzle is really starting to piss me off with the repeats. Oh, it went into standby somehow. Alright, oh, that's a repeat. Alright, I won't fast forward then. Is this a new piece? Yes. Hooray. Alright. Is this a new piece? So much more tedious when you're not fast forwarding. No, that is not a new piece. That's not a new piece. Look at that. Most of that puzzle is empty and I still got a repeat. Is this a new piece? No. We're at 1004 right now. That's not a new piece. Nope. Let's see if this is. Nope. 4 pieces left on the border of Mega Man, and I can't seem to get to one of them. At least that's a new Kirby piece. Up to 1005 now. Is this new? Nope. I'm going to try starting it and then fast forwarding it and see if that freezes it. Nope, it stayed on this time, so select a piece, put it in fast forward. Nope, that's not new. Select to get a new piece, put it in fast forward. That's not new. Select a new piece, fast forward it, and it's a new piece of Mario Kart. Select a new piece, fast forward. Not a new piece of Rusty. Select to get a new piece. Fast forward. Nope. Nope. So 25 more coins to go out of this, or 25 more pieces, I should say. 200 coins, but at 2 coins a pop. 25 more attempts. I honestly think of every 2 coins as being 1 coin, since you pretty much have to spend 2 coins to get anything. Sometimes more than that if you're playing Find Me. And that's not a new piece. Is this a new piece? Yes. 1007. Here we go again. A lot of scrolling and a new piece of Mario Kart. The odds I'm going to complete anything with 36 play coins left is low. Not a new piece. Rusty, you suck. At least that's a new piece of Kirby. 1009. New piece. Let's see. No, it is not. I wish you could puzzle swap with people over the internet. Then you could get this done a lot faster. You could complete the puzzles. You could at least get some pink pieces every now and then. Anything would be more helpful. That's a new piece. We're up to 1010 out of 1232. Yes, it's really frustrating when you get a new puzzle and your percentage of completion goes down because you get like 30 to 40 more puzzle pieces you have to collect, and you've still got all these others that aren't even finished. And you know how futile it's going to be because you're going to keep getting repeats. But at least I'm getting a few puzzle pieces now. Let's see if this is new. Nope, a lot of scrolling for a repeat. Nope, that's a repeat. That's new. So, 10 coins left to go, and that's how much progress we've made out of 200 coins, 100 attempts to get a new puzzle piece. Use 2. Let's do that. Nope, that's a repeat. That's new at least. 7 out of 15 on that brand new puzzle, but they gave us one for free as a starter. That's a new piece. 2 more to go. That's a new piece of Mario, but I got a long way to go on that. And here's the final attempt. And it's a repeat, wouldn't you know it? So, that's the final percentage. You'll see it here in a caption or on a screen overlay. I spent 200 coins on 100 pieces, or 100 attempts to get a piece. That's how many I got, and that's how many repeats I got.